This is supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 14 days. This is only my second time using it, so I can't speak to the 14-day test yet. But I will show you a before and after of hydrating my skin, because right now I just cleansed my skin and it feels exceptionally dry. So a lot comes out on the lid here. I'm going to use from that lid. Beautiful bottle, love the packaging. And then I just put it right on my face and blend it in with my fingertips. You could also put it in the palm of your hands. One thing about this, so it has a rose smell, and it's kind of an okay rose smell. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't love it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. And I have their rose collagen balm, and that smells insanely good. Like, it literally smells like a bed of roses. This one smells kind of like, I don't know, kind of funky. So I don't love the smell of this one. I'm just gonna say that. I'm gonna put it out there. I don't love the smell of it. But if it's gonna work on my wrinkles, always go for the neck area too, right? Then I'll put up with the smell. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed in that. Freshly cleanse your skin, then apply it. It really instantly gives you that hit of hydration, and that helps get rid of the appearance just immediately of fine lines and wrinkles. But again, it's that collagen and the marine collagen that is really penetrating your skin to help work on the anti-aging properties if you use it every single day.